Hey everyone, Cate here. Wait, didn't we have an episode on modifiers? We sure did. You might remember our very first quick take with Cate called, Is Your Modifier Squinting? Now that our modifiers are no longer squinting, we need to tackle another modifier problem, the dangling modifier. Let's look at an example. Shopping quickly through the mall, 12 pairs of shoes were bought. This sentence says that the shoes were shopping through the mall. The modifying phrase, shopping quickly through the mall, is not attached to the word it's meant to modify. It's dangling. Also note that this sentence is in the passive voice, a topic for another quick take. Passive voice often sets up dangling modifiers. To correct this sentence, we need to rewrite it in the active voice. Shopping quickly through the mall, I bought 12 pairs of shoes. How about this sentence? Arriving late to the game, the 49ers had already taken a 7-point lead. The way this is written, the 49ers arrived late to the game. We can correct this sentence one of two ways. Arriving late to the game, we saw that the 49ers had already taken a 7-point lead, or by the time we arrived to the game, the 49ers had already taken a 7-point lead. See if you can spot the dangling modifier error in this sentence. To grow tall and leafy, you must fertilize the tree. Well, if you've been trying to grow tall and leafy, here's the answer. Keep fertilizing the tree. We can correct this sentence in at least 3 ways. First, we can rewrite it using the passive voice. To grow tall and leafy, the tree must be fertilized. Or we can stay in the active voice by writing, looks like we're out of time. But you can check out the answers and the rest of the story at Touryan.com/quicktakes. See you next time.